Hi guys, welcome back to our podcast YMCC Talk with me Lauren. If in the third episode we talk about JotX, so today we will talking about ISPC as one of the international competition in YMCC 2021. And now has come with us Chusna as coordinator of ISPC. Hi Chusna, how are you?
I'm fine, thank you. Nice to see you, Lauren.
Nice to meet you too, Chusna. So Chusna, as you know, today we will talking about ISPC. So can you describe what is ISPC?
Okay, International Student Paper Competition, or we can call it ISPC. If you know about the other student paper competition, yeah, it is same, but is it in international level? So the paper and the presentation stage in final totally using English. If you know, Lauren, ISPC is one of some competitions in the fourth Yacht Mining Competition 2021 that organized by Mining Engineering Student Association of the UPN Veteran Yogyakarta. As the name implies, this competition is international scientific writing competition for students. So for you guys can submit your paper in this competition if your paper discuss about the mining and in the scope of them and sub them.
Okay, can you tell us the scope for this competition, Chusna?
Okay, that's important for you guys to remember our scope, the innovation for optimization mineral and coal to support sustainable mining is our theme in this competition. Meanwhile, the sub-theme is exploration, geomechanics, processing and refining minerals, environment problem and safety work, and the last is mining operations.
That's good. And are there any criteria for participants who want to join this competition?
Of course, there are. A team consists of 2 or 3 people or active students from the universities or college with undergraduate or diploma program from the various major at the same universities or college.
So, can I join this competition to Chusna?
Of course, you can, Lauren.
Glad to hear that. When I or the participant can submit our paper in this competition?
That's a good question. Please note it, guys, so you not miss this good opportunity. There are 3 batch registration and you guys can submit in one of the 3 batch. And the last registration is in the 19th of May. For the final stage, you can wait until the 10th of June for the announcement of the 10 best paper. After that, there will be technical meeting in the next day and presentation for final stage in the 21st of June. That's all about our timeline. So for you guys, don't miss this important date to be a winner.
So, the final technical meeting will be held in the next day after the final announcement, right?
Right.
Okay, Chusna, what is the goal for this competition?
Actually, our goal is we hope that this competition can be a forum for students to give their innovation through developing knowledge for the improvement of the mining industry. So the mining industry can contribute for sustainable development optimally. The kind of paper in this competition is research result or literature review. So for you guys can answer the challenge of mining industry and we are not providing any case study. It's all about your innovation through scientific writing.
So, you hope can improve mining industry through this competition. That's good. And this is my last question. Can you tell us what the prize that I get if I win this competition?
Okay, that's a good hope for this. There will be 5 winners in this competition and for all participants who submit papers can get the certificate. For more information, find us on our website to check the guidebook and the other specific requirement.
Yep guys, don't forget to follow our Instagram and subscribe our YouTube channel. And always stay tuned to get more information about YMCC 2021. And Chusna, thanks to spend your time to join our podcast today.
You are welcome, Lauren.
And for you guys, thanks to hear our podcast. See you in the next episode.
Bye
Bye-bye.
bye.